Stop playing with them, Riot. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting out, don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas.
Today's video is on this 613 bob wig from Yolissa Hair. It's 250% density, if I'm not mistaken. If not, then it's 200% density. It's a 13x4 frontal HD lace wig, and this is the blonde color that it came. It's 613, like true 613. So I went ahead and I toned my knots. If you don't know anything about this, you need to start doing it for your blonde wigs. If you want your knots to look like scalp, like it's just coming out and you don't see those white dots, then you're gonna want to do this. So I just put conditioner and a couple drops of brown hair dye. This is like the honey brown color or dark brown. I like this one because it's more warm tone than the other, because the darkest brown shade has too much purple in it, so it'll be a weird shade. You want to just tint it to the color of your skin tone. Basically, the longer you leave it on, the darker it will get. I only left mine on for about 5 minutes because I get scared. I don't like it to get too dark. And you're mixing this with conditioner. You can also add in some purple shampoo if you want, but I just don't personally like the way that it comes out with that, so I just do the conditioner and the hair dye. And I put it all over the frontal just like I was bleaching the knots, and I just let it sit there. So like I said, 5 minutes, let that sit, and then go ahead and rinse it out.
Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting out, don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas.
So after I let that sit, I rinse it out with my Shimmer Lights shampoo. So this is purple shampoo, and then I condition with the Shimmer Light conditioner as well. I wanted to do this because I wanted to tone the hair. This is how it's gonna look. Don't be afraid of that purple color, y'all. And this is the result of what toning your knots does. But the purple color that you get is like, the more purple you have it, the more white it's going to be. So if you like that really white wig look, then don't be afraid of the purple. That's how it's going to come out. That's how it's going to look. It's supposed to look that way. So yeah, I just went ahead and did that, and this was the end color, what it looked like after everything was dry. I really liked it. It was perfect. And I added layers to the wig, and that's what you see me doing. I did show y'all the full process of me prepping this wig this time. I normally style my wigs on my head, but I decided to do that differently today. So I added some light layers, not heavy layers, to this wig, and decided to do some pin curls for a really full pin curl look. I was going for like a Barbie 60s/70 inspired hairstyle. It was super cute, and it came out really, really cute. My opinion on the wig is that it's really, really full. Me personally, I don't like full bob wigs because it's hard to make them look flat, but this one came out fine since I wasn't doing a straight hairstyle. And as far as the lace goes, I don't think this is actual HD lace. They're saying it is. It does blend really good, but I think personally it's just like thin, transparent lace. But that's my little tidbit. Overall, I like it. Also, I ordered a size medium, but I feel like the wig was kind of on the small side. I should have got a large cap, and I'm normally a medium, and it still did not fit how it needed to fit. But yeah, I'm just going to take y'all through the whole process of me cutting the layers in, putting the curls in. I'm using my T3 iron with some regular just Icy Fantasia heat protectant, and I installed the wig glueless with my Even Black Supreme Lace Bond Spray, and that's it. Make sure you follow me on TikTok so y'all can see the short form version of me doing this install and hairstyle, and continue to watch this video all the way to the end to see the final look.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas, I'm looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ratchet? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches, where the niggas at? I'm tryna get my coochie stretched, yeah. I'm tryna get my coochie stretched, yeah. You know them dreadheads do it the best. Oh yeah. I like a nigga with a check. All my niggas give me neck. You know I'm sexy, I'm the best. I'm the shit, little bitch, I'm that. You know I can't say his name, cause he be cheating. I love you, baby. Yeah, and I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah, yeah. What Suki say, nut on my tits. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Oh, oh, oh. Just left say nut on my tits. Pound town, just left Pound town. With my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. With my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out.
Hey yo, Red, my name is Pink. I made him go get that ink. Let him eat it pretty pussy. Now he keep trying to link. I'm pimping Pinky Ring. His ex is a smanky dink. I'm about to pop a thingy, then sip on this drinky drink. Get the grip with my pinky zip. Nigga with my tip. I'm a flip like 100 bricks. Get back on my list. I'm a bitch. I want fish and grits. Throwing hissy fits. I ain't talking about chicken when I jerk it with my tits. I be swerving on the tip. Cause I'm slurping every tip. When I ride it, choke his neck or missionary doing splits.
Hello, girl, guess who baby said he popping they pussy in my motherfucking DM?
Anyway, in Miami, high.